Now let's take a look at this figure 21-10A. And of course we're determining if an area could be considered a Class 3 Division 1 location in accordance with NEC 500.5D as in dog 1. Now notice where we're concerned that we have a problem is for easy ignitable flyings, fibers, or handle manufactured or used. And a good illustration would be like a cotton gin or similar type equipment, or any equipment, as a matter of fact, that due to its operation could give off flyings and fibers, as you see in this illustration, where a arc or a spark could ignite them and a flash fire or fire occur. And then again, notice there's no groups where you are dealing with flyings or fibers. There's not any group. You're not worried about explosions as much as you are fire occurring. So again, you're going to go to NFPA 499 to get your information on these areas in accordance with, is it new equipment, new areas that are being considered where the equipment is installed. So that's what this illustration 21-10A is illustrating, is when you may have a problem and you have to go to NFPA 499 to classify a Class 3 Division 1 location where fibers and flyings are present in accordance with the problem becoming a problem, NEC 500.5D as in dog 1, and that's what this illustration is illustrating to the designer, the installer of the NEC.